Duders, do you want to show everybody our bedroom? Do you? Hey guys, it's Joanne here in Duders, and we are here today to do a kind of a quick bedroom tour. I recently redid my bedroom and got brand new furniture. I got a brand new bed set that I would love to talk about. I got a mattress and I got an adjustable base for my mattress that I got from Amazon. I did so much research to be able to pick the right adjustable base and to pick the right size memory foam mattress at a fairly reasonable price. And I was very, very excited as to the quality of those products that I got from Amazon. So, and I have a few other things around here that are from Amazon. Some stuff is from Dollar Tree. I think I got the mirror at Walmart. And I think the rug is from either Target or Walmart, not 100% sure. Anyways, without further ado, let's dig deep into my new bedroom. First, let's talk about the actual bedroom set, which contains the 2 bedside tables and the dresser that my TV is on, and also the awesome headboard. I got these from a local furniture store called Duncan Bright. I believe the style is from Ashley Furniture, and I will try to find the exact link to it. Maybe there are other furniture stores across America that actually, you know, also sell this style of bedroom set. But this is a queen size bed. And so the bedroom set came with the headboard that also kind of had a frame. The adjustable base that I bought online actually fit right inside the frame. I don't know if I can see if I can show you this, but so this wood part here is the frame, and the adjustable base fits right inside. Do you like the bed, Duders? He absolutely loves his bed. This is Duders' blanket. I found this on Amazon. It is so nice and soft and cozy, and when we go to bed at night, I roll it up here on the bed, and he kind of digs around in it, makes his little circle, gets underneath the bed, gets underneath the covers, and gets all snuggled in. So during the day, we just keep it off on the corner of the bed. So this quilt is actually a duvet cover with a quilt inside that is made to go inside of a duvet cover. This I got from Amazon. I absolutely love this cover, guys. It is so soft. I have washed it several times so far. I would say probably 3 or 4 times I've washed it since I've had it in the room, and it washes nice. It has a nice zip in, so there's like no buttons to fuss with or whatever. And also on the very inside of each of the corners, there are the little ties where you tie off the comforter inside to the duvet to keep it in place. I cannot recommend this one enough. I will link this exact duvet cover in the description box. Also, the cover came with these 2 large size, like king size pillows. I actually ordered a king size duvet cover because I wanted it to kind of go, you know, hang down farther, because I knew I was going to be having an adjustable base. So I definitely wanted to make sure that my bed cover hung low on either side. That's why I got a king. So I got the 2 big king shams, and Duders is would you like to show them the king shams, Duders? And the other thing that excuse me, Duders, get out from underneath there. So the other thing that I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video, but I'm going to be doing a detailed review video on, so I'm going to leave a link right here in the card and also in the description box. I did a full detailed review of these sheets, which came from the Ghost bed. These are amazingly soft sheets, and it came with, so we have the fitted sheet, the top sheet, the 2 covers to finish off the actual bedroom set, the actual bed cover set. Now, the mattress itself is a memory foam mattress. It is, I think it's considered a medium firm mattress, 12 inches in height. It is, and I will leave everything in the description box. This mattress is so comfortable. I have had the best night's sleep since I have been sleeping in this, and I've been sleeping on this mattress for about, I would say, a month, maybe a little bit over a month, but I cannot recommend it enough. And I also purchased an adjustable base. So what is an adjustable base? Is just something you buy to actually put your mattress on, and it has a remote, and you can actually move the head up or your feet up so you can kind of watch TV. So I have this position so I can watch my TV. You can adjust it any way you want. You can adjust both head and legs up at the same time, put it down at the same time. I absolutely love this. I'll just kind of show you guys quickly. We will raise. Tutors is being raised. So this is, see, it even goes up even farther. Okay, so that's as high as it goes, and you can see there's the adjustable base set up in the back. I actually usually watch bed. Let me kick this back a little bit. So when I sit in this to watch TV, and I can raise my feet. Tutors is looking at me like, what are you doing? Oh, are you sitting up? He's so cute. So I have been absolutely loving sleeping, having this adjustable mattress, having the adjustable base with the mattress. I just can't recommend it enough. It was fairly reasonable. If you do your research, if you've been out there looking for like the Tempur-Pedic mattresses and stuff like that, I got this for less than half the price of like a Tempur-Pedic with their adjustable bases. I have not had a single problem with them since. So let's move on to some of the accessories that I have. One of the things I picked up was this really cute side light. And I got this off of Amazon. Again, I will leave a link in the description box. It just leaves a nice little, just nice little accent lighting. The switch I put here with some of that clear gel tape. I have some USB ports here that are just on with that clear tape, that clear gel tape. These actually came with the bedside stand. I got this from the Dollar Tree, a little mermaid tail. You can check that out. I picked that up at the Dollar Tree just a couple of weeks ago. Probably will see that in one of my hauls. And this is just an old chair that I had in the house that I wanted to have just in case I wanted to read. You can just sit by the window. The pillow covers I got off of Amazon. I will leave those in the description box. The Blackout curtains I got at, I believe, Walmart, and they really, really do the job. I mean, I can, you know, it's pitch dark here when I have that on. Full length mirror that I just kind of put here. I move that around whenever I feel like it, whether I want it here or if I want it on this wall. I may decide to eventually actually hang it, but for now I just kind of have it leaning up. And of course we have Bath and Body Works candle. These 3 little candle jars, I got these at the Dollar Tree. This crystal I picked up at a local crystal store, and I have these little lights that I picked up, I believe, I can't remember where I got these. Maybe like at Five Below or Marshall's or someplace like that. Over here we have another mermaid little jewelry holder, and here are my glasses and my remote holder. I picked this up at TJ Maxx. I just loved this because it had the mirror effect, and this is where I just stick my remotes for my TV, etc. And the rug here, I picked up the rug at either Target or Walmart. If I find it online, I will leave a link to it below, but I found it in store. So the only thing is that this rug does keep on kind of bunching up on me, so I have to get some rug stoppers here. This set of stairs that you saw Duders get up, this I did not purchase. This I was given as a gift by one of my best friends who had a family member actually make the wood stairs for me, and she painted it and decorated it and kind of blinged it out to match, you know, the gems and stuff, and put Cosmo's nickname Duders on the stairs for him. He learned literally in like one night that he just jumps up on those stairs. So I have them on this side of the bed for now because he was really used to just coming into the room, you know, through the door. So I just kind of kept it right there for them. This is my closet. There's not really, you know, much in the closet. I did change out the knobs from the old knobs to have some like crystal knobs, but I just have, it's just a plain, you know, closet. I got these baskets at Target, so I picked up 3 of those baskets, and these 2 storage baskets are from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I just kind of have shoe storage and clothing, longer things, and t-shirts and stuff like that inside of my closet. I think that's it for the tour. So if you have any questions on any of the products that you see, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to see if I can. I will do everything that I can to answer your questions regarding the mattress, regarding the adjustable base, the duvet cover, the sheets. Like I said, I did do a separate video specifically on the sheets. You'll get more information on the sheet set in the sheet review. So that is going to be it for my video today, guys. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Joanne. It's so nice to meet you. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become part of my YouTube family. For those of you who are already part of the YouTube family, thank you so much for stopping back on my channel. I appreciate the support. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye, guys.